Today's recipe is instant Kesar Kulfi. For instant Kesar Kulfi, we require evaporated milk, 1 can, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 cans of cream, 1 tablespoon of chopped pistachios, 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds. We need about 7 to 8 strands of saffron. I've soaked the saffron in water, so we'll use that too. Now to start the process, we'll pour the evaporated milk into the container here. Pour the condensed milk as well. We need to keep this in the freezer for minimum of 5 hours for the kulfi to set before you serve. And just before you serve, you can keep the kulfi out for 5 minutes so that it becomes a bit soft. Now I'm adding in the cream. I'll add in both the tins. We'll whisk everything together. We need to see that no lumps are formed. I've just whipped everything together well. Now I'll add in the saffron. The strands are here in the bowl, so just add in everything. Give it a good stir. Now there are various options of setting this instant kulfi. So you can either use an earthen pot or you can use the regular kulfi molds. Today I'll be using the earthen pot and not these molds, but you can use them too. So first I will pour the mixture into my earthen pot and don't fill it up to the brim. Now at this stage I will add in the chopped pistachios and the chopped almonds. Just give it a stir like this, so it's like nice. Now we've mixed everything. I've added a few extra saffron strands on top. At this stage I'll use a wax paper and cover it up. Also I've got a thread which I'll use for tying it around. We'll place this in the freezer for minimum of 5 hours before it's ready to serve. This kulfi has been in the fridge and now it's set. Just remove it and show it to you. Kulfi, instant Kesar Kulfi, also known as the Indian ice cream, is ready to serve.